French onion soup cooking recipe. Ingredients: 6 large onions, sliced, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon dry thyme, 1 bay leaf, 6 cups beef broth, 2 cups chicken broth, salt and pepper, to taste, 8 slices of baguette, 1 cup grated Gruyere cheese. Instructions: 1. In a large pot, melt the butter over medium heat. 2. Add the onions and sugar and cook until the onions are soft and caramelized, about 20 to 30 minutes. 3. Add the garlic, thyme, and bay leaf and cook for 2 minutes. 4. Add the broths, salt, and pepper and bring to a boil. 5. Reduce heat and let simmer for 30 minutes. 6. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 7. Place the slices of baguette on a baking sheet and bake until toasted, about 5 minutes. 8. Place the toasted baguette slices in the bottom of oven-safe soup bowls. 9. Ladle the soup over the bread and sprinkle the cheese on top. 10. Bake in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly, about 10 to 15 minutes. 11. Serve hot and enjoy.